overview of the plumbing. This is the well line coming from the well, and it runs over here to the pressure switch. This goes to the bladder tank. The water runs through this connection here, through this way, and continues up through that pipe. This is give it a zoomed out view now. So it runs up this pipe into this big blue. And this is a sediment filter, takes out the dirt, the sand, fine sediment. And it runs to over here, down into the second stage, which is the hard water removal. It removes iron and other heavy metals. Runs through here, goes to that far pipe going up alongside the wall down to the tannin softener. This stage 3 removes tannin. Tannin is that substance that gives the water its tea color, its dark tea color. Removes that stuff. Comes out, goes over to stage 4, which is another big blue, and this is a carbon block. It removes the odor and such. And that runs down here into this connection here. I'll bring the light down. Try to, at least. But this runs 2 directions. It goes this way, and that runs to the main bathrooms and the kitchen. And it runs this way and up, and this runs to the small bathrooms just on the other side of that wall. And then this here, this is at the beginning. I didn't mention this in purpose, but when the well water comes out, it also goes this way into this side, and this is an extra line that's unused for future expansion, so this needs to stay off until it's either utilized or maybe never utilized. But it's just an extra line, runs up into the ceiling, and it's just there for extra expansion, so that just needs to stay off. Here's the bypass. If things are being worked on, you can turn the bypass on, but if this usually isn't necessary, because usually nobody's here when it's being worked on. But if it is, you can turn this on, but before you turn that on, you need to shut off this valve here so that it doesn't backflow into the treated water section. Anyhow, that's that. I will walk down. So just a quick reference here. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4 for the water softeners. Come down the hallway, and I want to show you there's another shut-off valve for the kitchen. So that copper line runs underneath the floor all the way to this closet here. And there is a shut-off valve right inside this cubby hole. So if the kitchen and bathrooms need to be worked on, that's the shut-off valve for those. And there's a crawl space in this closet that leads up to the hot water tank that feeds the kitchen and the bathrooms.